Welcome to this guided meditation voiced by kids. Young music enthusiasts, we will transport you to the enchanting world of a music concert. Find a comfortable place to sit or lie down. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Get ready to embark on a magical journey where you will immerse yourself in the captivating melodies and vibrant energy of a live music performance. Are you ready to let the music take you away? Let's begin. Imagine yourself standing in front of a grand concert hall, its majestic doors invitingly open. As you step inside, a rush of excitement fills the air. Visualize the grandeur of the hall, with its elegant architecture and rows of plush seats. Feel the energy building as you find your seat among a sea of enthusiastic concertgoers. Close your eyes and let the anticipation wash over you. As the lights dim and the curtains slowly rise, imagine the stage coming to life with a burst of colors and lights. The sweet sound of instruments tuning fills the hall, creating an atmosphere of anticipation and wonder. Take a moment to connect with your breath, and allow yourself to be fully present in this moment. As the music begins, feel the vibrations and melodies flowing through the air, reaching deep into your heart and soul. Let the music embrace you, carrying you on a journey of emotions and sensations. Visualize the musicians on stage, each immersed in their craft and playing their instruments with passion and precision. Notice the conductor, guiding the symphony with graceful movements and infectious enthusiasm. Feel the unity and harmony created by the collective effort of the musicians, as they weave a tapestry of sound that resonates within you. SB, a second equals 5 pause. Allow the music to evoke emotions within you. It may be joy, excitement, or even a sense of tranquility. Let the melodies transport you to different worlds, awakening your imagination and igniting a sense of wonder. Lose yourself in the rhythms, harmonies, and melodies that speak directly to your heart. Feel a sense of connection with the other concertgoers around you, as if you are all united by the power of music. Embrace the shared experience of being in the presence of something truly magical. Notice the smiles, the nods of appreciation, and the moments of pure bliss on the faces of those around you. SB. A second equals 5e. Pause as the music reaches its crescendo. Feel a surge of energy and excitement within you. Allow yourself to be fully immersed in the performance, surrendering to the magic of the music. Let go of any thoughts or worries and simply be in this moment, carried away by the waves of sound and emotion. Take a moment to reflect on the variety of instruments you heard during the concert. Picture the grand piano with its gleaming keys, the soaring melodies of the violin, the deep and resonant notes of the cello, the vibrant sounds of the trumpet, and the rhythmic beats of the drums. Imagine each instrument playing its part, coming together to create a symphony of sound that fills your heart with joy. Visualize the talented musicians pouring their hearts and souls into their performance, their fingers gliding effortlessly over the keys, strings, or frets. Marvel at their skill and dedication, appreciating the countless hours of practice that have led them to this moment. Feel a sense of awe and admiration for their musical talent. As the concert progresses, notice the ebb and flow of emotions within you. Perhaps a slower, melancholic piece stirs feelings of introspection and reflection, while an upbeat and lively composition fills you with energy and enthusiasm. Allow yourself to fully experience and embrace the range of emotions that the music evokes. Imagine the stage bathed in a soft and warm glow, creating an intimate and magical atmosphere. As you listen to the music, Notice how it resonates within you, touching your soul and filling you with a sense of peace and serenity. Feel the music wrapping around you like a comforting blanket, creating a space where you can escape from the outside world and find solace within yourself. As the final notes fade away, take a moment to express gratitude for the musicians who shared their gift of music with you. Feel a sense of appreciation for the beauty and power of music in bringing people together, transcending language and cultural barriers. SP. A second equals 5 Pause. Know that the joy and inspiration you felt during this guided meditation can be carried with you beyond this moment. Allow the experience to ignite your own creative spark, whether it be through singing, playing an instrument, or simply listening to music that resonates with your soul. Let the magic of the concert inspire you to explore and embrace the world of music in your own unique way. As you gently open your eyes, carry the essence of the music concert within you. Let it remind you of the power of music to evoke emotions, create connections, and transport you to different realms of experience. Treasure the memories and lessons of this guided meditation, and allow them to inspire you to continue seeking out the magic of music in your everyday life. And you're ready? Slowly open your eyes, bringing the spirit of the music concert back with you. Carry the melodies, emotions, and appreciation in your heart, allowing them to guide you in embracing the beauty and transformative power of music. Treasure the memories and lessons of this guided meditation, and let them enhance your everyday experiences. Thank you for joining us today. Please subscribe for more meditation content. Like or share this video,